All right, the deliberation continues within the Gandhis whether they're going to fight the seat of Amethi or Rai Bareli. That's the latest news break that we are getting in. Till now, the Congress doesn't have a candidate. Tomorrow is the last day for filing nominations. Both seats are up for elections in the fifth phase when Uttar Pradesh goes to vote. Word comes in that the Congress the party has asked the Gandhis to fight both Priyanka and Rahul Gandhi, and now it's the decision of the Gandhis. I want to quickly cut across to my colleague Abhishek Mishra, who's joining us not very far off from where I'm standing in Amethi, speaking to his sources where at least the local unit is concerned. Abhishek, just a short while ago, we'd seen a bit of flurry in terms of activity. There seems to be at least some suggestion that possibly Rahul Gandhi might file his nominations tomorrow. At least the local unit seems energized on that front. No official declaration yet.
Well, absolutely, Preeti, and that is what has also become a lot of concern for the local cadre here. From morning itself, I've been tracking it. They were coming, a lot of enthusiasm we witnessed, but now with the time getting reduced for the final nomination, 20 only last hours to go for that deadline, and still the question is unanswered. Amethi who, Rai Bareli who for the Congress party. Now, I've also spoken to the locals here, and I've gone outside and tried to get the sense, and still the people are optimistic that the Gandhi family will finally take that seat. That is still hope and anticipation there. Indeed, the BJP has already fielded the candidate from Rai Bareli also. Dinesh Pratap Singh, a minister in the UP cabinet, has got that ticket from Rai Bareli. We have to consider that Sonia Gandhi won in 2019 against him with 1,57,000 approximately was the margin. So, and this time now BJP candidate is out. The congressman locally here believes that if it's a Gandhi family member, again it's not going to be very tough fight. It's like a safe seat. But even after all those, calculations, permutations, combinations, still the question is unanswered. Now, our sources are saying that today itself it has to be announced. And but again, and we have been saying it from last few days that preparations are there. KL Sharma spoke to us. He also left a while before, and he also confirmed that we have done our preparation. It's only a matter of a few hours, and when that list will be out, there will be enthusiasm. But for now, you see, and you've witnessed also within the premises of the Congress office and also the outside, the congressmen are still waiting in anticipation for that final list for Amethi and Rai Bareli. Yes.
Well, you are right there, Abhishek, because, one thing is sure, that the cadre here will not take any other name. They'll be deeply disappointed if it's anybody else but the Gandhi, either of the Gandhis whose name is announced from the seat of Amethi or even Rai Bareli there. They've been coming every day. I just met somebody who's been wearing a fresh white kurta every day, coming in and hoping that the names of the Gandhis would be announced. Still waiting, right behind me there. We're going to speak to some of them in a short while, but let's get our viewers a bit of a sense of what's going on right now in Amethi. What is it that the Gandhis are mulling over? Why is Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi still waiting to make that crucial decision?
Big Bang Congress suspense over Gandhi siblings fight from Amethi and Rai Bareli. With just hours to go before nomination deadline, Congress needs to hurry. The party has left the decision on Rahul and Priyanka.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आज कोई घोषणा सीईसी ने पूरा अधिकार कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष को दे दिया है. कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष सोच रहे हैं, बातचीत हो रही है, विचार विमर्श हो रहा है, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आज शाम तक कोई ना कोई घोषणा निकल आएगा. बिल्कुल.
But the delay is already taking a toll on morale of Congress workers, rooting for the Bhai and Behan.
अमेठी के लोगों के अंदर इस बात को लेकर के लगातार चर्चा थी कि क्या राहुल गांधी चुनाव लड़ेंगे या नहीं, लेकिन अब जिस तरीके से कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ताओं का उत्साह है वो लगातार जो है इस बात को कह रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी ही आएंगे और इसको लेकर के जितने भी कार्यकर्ता हैं वो इस समय काफी एक्साइटेड हैं और उनको लगता है कि आज ये ऐलान हो जाएगा, तस्वीर साफ हो जाएगी कि आखिर ये चुनाव में अमेठी से राहुल गांधी ही ताल ठोकेंगे। क्या राहुल गांधी चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं?
हाँ, राहुल गांधी यहाँ से चुनाव लड़ेंगे।
लग रहा है कि राहुल गांधी के पक्ष में माहौल है। स्मृति ईरानी तो कहती है हमने बहुत काम किया है, यहाँ पर जो है जनता दोबारा उन्हें 5 लाख से जिता रही है।
राहुल गांधी के हित में पूरी जनता यहाँ की लगी हुई है और वो जीत कर यहाँ से जाएंगे, भारी से भारी बहुमतों से जीतेंगे।
नेता आदरणीय श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी ने पहले भी कहा था जब वो राज्यसभा जा रही थी कि रायबरेली से हम अपना नाता खत्म नहीं करेंगे, हमारा परिवार रायबरेली से जुड़ा रहेगा। इसलिए भी हम लोग पूरा आश्वस्त हैं और रायबरेली का आम जन ये चाहता है कि गांधी परिवार से ही लोग यहाँ लड़ें, प्रियंका जी लड़ें, अगर कोई बहुत विशेष वो है तो राहुल जी लड़ें।
Rahul needs to decide if he wants a rematch with Smriti Irani in Amethi after his shock 2019 defeat. Apart from the Wayanad contest in Kerala, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra too is tight-lipped.
देखिए, अमेठी के बाद कांग्रेस का डिसीजन है, जो भी मुझे ऑर्डर मिलेगा मैं वो करूंगा। सीईसी मीटिंग हमारी पार्टी में सीईसी मीटिंग्स में ये डिसीजन लिए जाते हैं।
There is still a confusion between Raebareli and Amethi. What is your feeling? Ma'am, you are hesitant to contest the election. Ma'am, you are hesitant to contest the election. Ma'am, please.
The BJP predicts complete rout for the Gandhis in their bastions.
भाई बहन चुनाव लड़ने से मुकर गए, उत्तर प्रदेश को टाटा बाय बाय बोलकर चले गए और जल्दी उनको वायनाड भी टाटा बाय बाय बोलने वाला है, उनकी वहां से भी बोलती बंद करवाने वाला है।
BJP's Amethi face, Smriti Irani remains confident of a big win.
There is no buzz around the nation. There's buzz only in media channels. Yes, nobody is buzzing for them. If there were people buzzing for Rahul and Priyanka, we wouldn't be winning.
After months of suspense, will it be Rahul, Priyanka or some rank newcomers in Uttar Pradesh's most high-profile fights? With Abhishek Mishra in Amethi and Samarth Srivastav in Raebareli, Bureau Report, India Today.